learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello, everybody. It's time for Pat Kahaka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. Now, this is the month of September, which means a lot of students are going back to school. 其实9月份就是开学、返校的一个月份了，对不对？小学到大学全部都是。虽然离我的年龄很远了哦，但是呢，我们还是要教学生怎么说这些跟开学，还有我们这个月来不及这个主题呢，来搭在一起。
OK，
好不好 ？OK. First of all, 来不及了怎么说？
父母差嘞。
父母差嘞 That's this month's theme, which means it's too late, I'm late, it's something is over, I'm missing out on something. And let's go ahead and get into this particular episode, and it's all about school. So 开学 okay, that means the start of school. 开学怎么说呢？
开学。
开学。
那海陆腔。开学。
开学 okay, just a slightly different tone, and that's a different dialect to say start of school in Hakka. 那这个尤其是应该是高中以下啦，尤其是小学生最多的就是有暑假作业。对，
画画要写字。
Yeah, sometimes you have summer vacation homework, okay? That's pretty standard here in elementary schools in Taiwan. So how do you say 暑假作业, which is summer vacation homework?
撇除功课。
撇除 means summer vacation, 功课 means homework.
对。
然后有的时候这个暑假作业啊，已经快开学了哈，然后没写完，对不对？就会说啊，完蛋了。
完蛋了啦。
Okay, if you didn't finish your homework, right? You're gonna say, "Oh no, what am I gonna do? It's all over. Oh, I'm screwed." Okay, 其实有时候英文比较直接，就说 "I'm screwed." Okay, 那怎么说？完蛋了。
惨美。
这不是台语吗？惨美。哦，加凄惨嘛，惨美。
很像。
对对对。Okay, it's very similar to Taiwanese. 惨美。
惨美。
That means, uh-oh, I'm screwed. It's over. What am I gonna do now? All right. So let's make a sentence out of one of these phrases right here. 我的暑假作业没写。I didn't write my summer vacation homework. I didn't start on it, okay?
我嘅撇除功課冇寫。
我嘅撇除功課
冇寫。
冇寫。
沒寫。
哦，冇寫就是沒寫。Okay.
糟糕了。
That whole line again means, I didn't write my homework for summer vacation.
玩到忘記了。
对，然后就差没啊。
对。
Right. All right, let's review these terms, all right? 开学 the start of school.
開學。
開學 and then 暑假作業 summer vacation homework.
撇除功課。
撇除功課 and finally, I'm screwed, it's over. 完了。
差美。
差美。不要差美了哈。It's all about getting late. 來不及了。
父母差嘞。
父母差嘞。And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只是长来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.